Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. So today I am going to tell you how you are going to automate your social media marketing this Eid. Now I am giving you an example of Eid, but it is not only limited to Eid. You can use this automation for several other purposes as well. So what we are going to do, first we are going to take a Google Sheets in which we are going to add a new row where we have our automation essentials, where I will be putting a link plus I will be putting a description and the title. Now after that, what I am going to do, I am going to connect this Google Sheets with Facebook as well as Twitter. Now it is not necessary that you only use Facebook and Twitter. There are other applications in our Pabbly Connect account, or in our Pabbly Connect software I should say, where you can automate any social media marketing application like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr, Pinterest and many more. So here I am using two examples of Facebook and Twitter. So what will happen whenever I am going to put a new detail in my Google Sheets, automatically a photo post will be created on Facebook, as well as a tweet with media will be created on Twitter. Now this automation is very useful if you want to engage your clients, if you want to keep contact with your clients constantly, if you want to send a bulk amount of messages to someone, if you want to wish in a bulk amount to your customers, you can use this automation. Now to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service, Pabbly Connect, which will help us connect Google Sheets, Facebook and Twitter together. Now if you want to learn how to do this automation, you have to come with me to the screen. And we are back at our screen. So what we have to do, we have to go to the address bar and type in Pabbly pabbly.com/connect, and then we will press enter. And as soon as we will do that, you will see that we will be redirected to this page here. And here you can see we have two options. Either we can sign in or we can sign up. Signing in is very easy. If you already have an account, you have to go for sign in. If you do not have an account, you have to go for sign up. Now signing up only takes 2 minutes, and it will also give you 100 free tasks every month from our site. So go and sign up now. I already have an account, so I will just go for sign in. And here you can see I have this ID. I will just go for login. And after that, you can see here, these are my softwares. Here, I am going to click on access now for Pabbly Connect. Now it is taking some time to open. You can see these are all the automations I have in my Pabbly Connect account. Now what I am going to do, I am just going to click on create workflow to create a new workflow. And now here I am going to give my workflow a name. So I am going to give it the name Google. Okay, I am not going to give it this name. I am just going to give it the name Social Media Marketing Automation. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I am going to first click on create. And after that, you can see we will have two windows here. First one is trigger and second one is action. Now trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process, and action window is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process. So trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So what is happening in our trigger event? First, we are going to take the data from our Google Sheets. So I'm just going to choose Google Sheets, then new or updated spreadsheet row. Now you can see we have this webhook URL here. Webhook URL will help us connect our Google Sheets to our Pabbly Connect account. So we are just going to copy this, and then you have to follow these steps here. Now let me just go back and show it to you. Now I have this Eid. Let me just correct this one, festival. Now I have this Eid title. This is the image URL, and this is the description. Easily connect multiple applications to automate your tasks. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I am just going to go for extensions, and then I will go for Pabbly Connect webhooks. If you do not have this Pabbly Connect webhooks here, what you have to do, you have to go to add-ons, then click on get add-ons. After that, what you will do, you will just go here in search bar and you will type in Pabbly Connect webhooks. Okay. Now when you will type Pabbly Connect webhooks, you will see this will come here. and now you have to install it in your system if you do not have it in your system already. I already have it, so I'm not going to do that again. I'll go to extensions again, Pabbly Connect webhooks, initial setup. And here what we are going to do, you can see we have a field for webhook URL. So we are going to paste the webhook URL which we copied from Pabbly Connect account, and trigger column. What is the trigger column? Now trigger column is the column which is responsible for sending data from Google Sheets to Pabbly Connect account, and trigger column will always be the last data column of your Google spreadsheet. So here last data column is C. So I'm just going to use C. Then I will click on submit. I will go back again to extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, initial setup, and as soon as I will click on send test, you will see that data will be sent successfully to our Pabbly Connect account. And here you can see this is the data, this is the image URL, this is the name of the festival Eid, and this is the description here. Okay, now what I am going to do in my next step, our first step is completed where we have successfully connected our Google Sheets to our Pabbly Connect account. Now here in our next application, we are going to go for Facebook. So we will select Facebook pages here. And now here in action event, we are going to click on create page photo. Now we will click on connect, add new connection, connect with Facebook pages. Select your account with Facebook. Now I already have done it so many times, so it did not ask me for the authorization, but it will ask you for the authorization, and give it the authorization. Do not worry, your data with Pabbly Connect is absolutely safe. Now here we have so many pages, so I am just going to take a random page. Let me take which one would be perfect for us. Fireworks store. Okay, this one is good because we are going to have a lot of fireworks on Eid. So fireworks store is the page. Let me just go to my Facebook pages and let me just show you the page first. Where is the fireworks page? Okay, here it is, fireworks store. Okay, now you can see we do not have any post here right now. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go back to Pabbly Connect, and here it will ask you for the page access token. You do not have to mess up with this. And now here you have to put the photo URL. So what we are going to do, we are going to use a technique which is called mapping, and mapping will let us take the data from this window and it will let us put the data here in this window. So we will go for photo URL, which is this image URL, and description is easily connect multiple applications to automate your tasks. Click on save and send test request. And as soon as you will do that, you will see a new ID will be generated. So here, when we will go to Facebook, we will refresh it. And as soon as we will refresh it, you will see that here fireworks store easily connect multiple applications to automate your tasks. And this is the image we have. Eid Mubarak limited time offer, and we are giving lifetime access for $149. So you can grab it right now. And now it's time for our Twitter. So you can see here, we do not have anything on our Twitter account right now related to Eid. Let me just go to home and my profile. And here you can see we do not have any post related to Eid here. Now what we are going to do, we are just going to go back to our Pabbly Connect account and we will click on plus. We will add another window here, another action window, and here we are going to choose Twitter. Now what we are going to do, we are just going to go for action event, and now we are going to create a tweet with media, connect it, add new connection, connect with Twitter, authorize your app, and click on save. Now you can see here, we have to put our message as well as the media file URL. So again, I am going to use the technique mapping here. I will select the message from my Google Sheets description and image URL from my Google Sheets image URL. Now I will click on save and send test request, and as soon as I will do that, you will see that the automation will be successful, and here you can see easily connect multiple applications to automate your task, and there should be a picture also. So let me just refresh it. And here you can see easily connect multiple applications to automate your tasks. Eid Mubarak limited time offer. So this is how you can automate it. Now you can even add several other applications here. You can add Pinterest, Instagram, you can add other Tumblr. So you can also add other kinds of social media marketing applications here. I'm just showing you these two applications. For example, you can add a lot of applications here. Okay. Now, this automation is gonna work every time whenever you are going to upload anything on your Google Sheets. It will automatically get uploaded to your Facebook pages and Twitter. But remember one thing, whenever you are going to add new rows here, first go to extensions, then Pabbly Connect webhooks, and then click on send on event. Because if you will not click on send on event, and if it will not have this right sign, the data which will be added into the new rows of Google Sheets will not be sent to Pabbly Connect, and from there the social media automation will not be able to continue. Okay, so this is a very useful automation, and you can use this automation automatically. Now if you want me to give an example, let us just take an example, and let me just open an image and I'll show you. So I am taking this image of Happy Halloween here, and let us just do test our automation with this. Okay, so I'll go here. First, I'll go to extensions, check my send on event. It is active. Now what we are going to do, I am just going to type here Happy Halloween. Okay, and here I'm just going to put the image link. And here what I'm going to do, I'm just going to type in Happy Halloween to everyone. Okay. And as soon as I will press enter, you will see that this post has been saved. Now we will go to our Facebook account, and here we will just refresh it. And as soon as we will refresh it, we should have our Happy Halloween post here. And you can see here we have our Happy Halloween post, Happy Halloween to everyone, Happy Halloween. And I'll go here in my Twitter, and here also as soon as I will refresh, and I did not even need to refresh it, it automatically came. So you can see Happy Halloween to everyone, Happy Halloween, which means our automation is perfectly fine and working very, 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 very good. So here I have explained you how you can do this. Just update anything you want in your Google Sheets, and automatically your social media marketing automation will run, and the post will be present in your Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Instagram, or any other application, social media marketing application which you're going to use here. Okay. Now, if you do not want to make this workflow and directly copy this workflow, you can just go into my description box and clone this workflow into your account. But for that, you need to have an account, and for that, you need to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month. So do not wait, go and sign up now. Hasta la vista. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to added in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us, and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.